welcome back to your daily Khabar Heart, your daily dose of all the news from across the globe. Your go spot for the biggest headlines of the day. I am your host, and here are the top 5 updates from Tripura, India, and around the world. Let's dive right in. Here are some of the top 5 newses of Tripura. Number 1. Tripura cut off due to landslides. Tripura has been almost cut off from the rest of India after major landslides disrupted the Churaibari-Agartala highway. Authorities are working to restore road connectivity. Number 2. Legal awareness drive in schools. The National Law University Tripura continues its school outreach campaign to spread awareness about legal rights and duties among students. Number 3. CAA cutoff stays at 2024-2040. Tripura CM Manik Shah has confirmed that the state will follow the 2014 cutoff date under CAA, rejecting calls for stricter migrant screening for opposition parties. Number 4. Six more Ekalavya schools to start in August. The academic session in 6 new Ekalavya residential schools across tribal areas to begin next month, enhancing education to remote regions. Number 5. CM reviews civic works in Agartala. Chief Minister Manik Shah toured Agartala to inspect ongoing development and civic infrastructure project. Now it's time for the India-based news. Number 1. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar resigns. In a major political development, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned, citing health reasons. His departure marks the end of nearly 3 years in office. Number 2. Earthquake tremors in Delhi NCR. A mild 3.2 magnitude earthquake struck parts of Haryana, shaking Delhi NCR. No casualties or damage have been reported. Number 3. Air India flight aborts takeoff. Air India flight from Delhi to Kolkata with 160 passengers had to abort takeoff at high speed due to technical snag. Thankfully, all passengers are safe. Number 4. Allianz returns to Indian market with Jio. German insurance giant Allianz is making a comeback in India through a joint venture with Jio Financial, focusing on reinsurance services. Number 5. India may allow sugar exports next season. To avoid a surplus due to a bumper sugarcane crop, the Indian government is considering lifting restrictions on sugar export next season. This time we are going to the world-based news. Number 1. Israel launches offensive in Gaza. Israel has launched a large-scale air and ground operation in central Gaza's Al-Bala, urging civilians to evacuate the area. Number 2. The U.S. Senator warns India, China over Russian oil. U.S. Senator Lindsey Graham has issued a sharp warning to India, China and Brazil over their oil trade with Russia, suggesting harsh tariffs could be imposed. Number 3. Deadly jet crash in Bangladesh. A military jet crashed into a school in Dhaka, Bangladesh, killing over 20 people. The country's worst air disaster since 1984. Now it's the number 4 news. Geeta Gopinath to step down from IMF. IMF's Deputy Managing Director Geeta Gopinath will step down this August and return to Harvard University, where she was previously a professor. Number 5. Russian TV shows teen drone workers. Russian state TV aired a documentary showing teenagers working in a drone factory, sparking concerns over child labor ethics amid war in Ukraine. That's wrap for today's top stories from Daily Khabar Heart. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for your daily global update, and always stay informed and stay sharp. Thanks for watching.